YouTube Monetization Tutorial. How to earn money from your channel. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: YouTube monetization. If you're passionate about creating videos and want to turn your hobby into a source of income, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money. So let's get started. The first step towards monetizing your YouTube channel is to meet the eligibility requirements set by YouTube. Here's what you need. You must comply with YouTube's partner program policies, including the community guidelines and copyright rules. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. You need to accumulate 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. You must have an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Once you've met the requirements, it's time to enable monetization on your channel. Follow these steps and go to YouTube Studio. Read and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Follow the instructions to set up an AdSense account or connect an existing one.
Step-by-step guide. How to create a Google AdSense account. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have it. Fill in the required information, including your website, URL, or YouTube channel details. Select your country, and after that, please review the terms and conditions. And check "Yes, I have read and accept the agreement," and then click the Create Account button. Next step, you are transferred to the Google AdSense for YouTube customer information. Just fill out the form that they needed. In the name portion, just type your real name, not anybody's name or alias, just your full name. Then fill out your complete address, suburb, city, postal code, and lastly, your province and phone number. Then click Submit button and you will be redirected to your YouTube Studio apps. And that's it. The second step is in progress. Just wait for a while. It will take about an hour if there's no problem or wrong to your fill out info, but sometimes it takes several days. And then step 3 is in progress also. You will wait for another several days before starting to make your YouTube account able to earn money from ads.
Once you've completed the process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Understand ad formats. After enabling monetization, it's crucial to understand the different ad formats available on YouTube. Let's take a look. Display ads. These are banner ads that appear on the right side of your video or above the video suggestions. Skippable video ads. These ads allow viewers to skip them after 5 seconds. Non-skippable video ads. These ads play before or during your video and cannot be skipped. Now that your channel is monetized, it's essential to create engaging content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Here are some tips. Know your audience. Understand who your target audience is and tailor your content to their interests. High quality production. Invest in good equipment such as a camera, microphone, and video editing software to enhance the production value of your videos. Consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your subscribers engaged and attract new viewers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community on your channel. Congratulations! You've learned how to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money. Remember, creating valuable and engaging content is key to building a successful channel. Stay consistent, promote your content, and analyze your performance to continuously improve. Good luck on Analyze Your Performance to Continuously, your YouTube monetization journey. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to help.